The Catalyst working groups are a great opportunity for the Catalyst community to make their voice heard in how the future of Catalyst should look like. We have been one of the community to be part of this amazing Catalyst workshop, and it has been a great opportunity for us to gather the community, a great opportunity to meet other people, to get to connect with new people, and try to discuss about different questions on how Catalyst should like, on how we want things to be rolling in Catalyst. So this is a great moment to say that really there is a true decentralization and a community-driven governance. So we hope everything that we're going to make in these sessions will be counted to see how we are improving Catalyst together.